guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for watching. Today I've got a little bit of an overall haul for you guys. Quite a few things actually. I've done a little bit of shopping recently, and I just thought I would go through some items with you. Most of it is from Vinted, but a couple of pieces are bought new, and I'll obviously state which is which. So let's get started, and the first thing I'm going to kick off with is the t-shirt that I'm wearing, and you might have seen this on my Instagram already if you follow me on Instagram. If you don't, go follow me now at Rachel Yvonne Hatley. I'll link it down below. But yeah, this Vivienne Westwood t-shirt, so this is the famous, I think it's called like the hobo t-shirt. I'll link it down below, but yeah, you can buy this in store now, and I did buy this in the Vivienne Westwood store in London, and absolutely have not stopped wearing it. It is so fantastic. Obviously it's not for everybody. It's got a really interesting cut. So this sleeve is like almost cut off, and then this one comes out a bit more, and it's like cut in a way that like ruches it, so it's kind of like wearing kind of like a toga sort of looking thing, but like with a squiffy neck and everything. It's not for everybody, but I really love it. And this was £140, which I would never ever spend on a normal t-shirt, but because of the cut and the design of it, I justified it to myself. But I'm not saying that that is a normal price for a t-shirt by any means, obviously, but yes, just because of the way that it was cut, I was happy to spend that, and it was a treat to myself that I've been saving up for. So this is number one. I'll put up some pictures throughout while I'm talking of me wearing not only this item but the other items that we're going to go through today. So yeah, this is the first piece. So number two is an item that I got while I was in Singapore. I was recently in Singapore for work, and for those of you that don't know, I am a full-time nanny. So my nannying family took me to Singapore with them. Obviously I was working the entire time, but it was very lovely and a fantastic trip. And I did get one morning off to go and do whatever I wanted really, and I chose to go to a exhibition, an Iris van Herpen exhibition. I'll quickly put some pictures up here, and I also did a little bit of shopping. There's going to be a separate haul coming with a bigger item that I bought while I was there, but for now I'll just show you the two pieces that I got while I was there that were clothing items. And both pieces are from this brand called the Editor's Market, which I don't believe we have here, so I feel that this is either an Asian store or something like that. But it was kind of like COS, the way that the shop was designed. So yeah, really loved it. And I picked up this sort of v-neck top, absolutely gorgeous. Really loved the print, the green and blue print, and I loved the cut of it. I don't really have many v-neck things as well, but I loved how it was like cupping around the breasts here, and it was really beautifully done. So picked that up. This was around, I want to say something like $40, 40 Singapore dollars, which I think was £22, so didn't mind paying that. And like I say, there should be photos showing me in these pieces. Next up, from the same store in Singapore, is this little dress. I just thought this was so cute. It's like a little strappy dress. It's got like this sort of ruching on the front, and then just A-line, simple, and like the ruching around the back as well. Absolutely love dresses like this in this olive green. Just thought it would look really nice with my skin tone and my hair color. I also thought it would look really good like over a t-shirt like this with jeans, in the cooler months and stuff, but obviously when it's hot it can just be worn on its own. This was around $55, which I think is something like £35. So again, probably, I'm not gonna lie, there was a lot of sustainable wording in the store, but I highly doubt that the store was that sustainable. So that was my little naughty buy, I guess. But everything else from here on out, I believe, is from Vinted. Yeah, or TK Maxx. So those are my two naughty buys. Okay, next up, I went into Past Trash with my friend Isabella, and I'll link her Instagram down below. She's incredible, such an amazing friend, and her outfit's always amazing. We went into London together a couple of weeks ago and we went to Past Trash, which is a secondhand store, and I picked up this little Lacoste polo shirt. But the reason I loved it so much, it's in a very small size, so it's kind of like a baby tee style on me. So absolutely love that, in this gorgeous baby blue colour. I don't know how well the camera's picking up the blue. It's actually a bit more of a brighter blue than it's looking on the screen. But yeah, absolutely love this, and I just thought so easy to style. It was like 30 quid, but I would have liked to have paid more, around the 20-25 mark, but it's fine. And yeah, I just loved how easy it would be to style. Jeans, my JW Anderson jeans, my JW Anderson skirt, pretty much any skirt that I own will look great with this, shorts, whatever. It's so easy to style, so I picked that up. And then also, while I was in Past Trash, I picked up this gorgeous little cami. So this is originally from Intimissimi, which is a sort of underwear brand, I believe, but like obviously do little pieces like this as well. And yeah, I just thought this was gorgeous, like really, really pretty. Got some pretty detailing on the top here, these buttons, and again, it can go over a t-shirt or just on its own. And I think this was like 20 quid. So yeah, I was quite happy with that. Leaning into like the prairie milkmaid trend, but I don't really do trends, but I just think that top's also really nice. Okay, next up, I've got 2 buys from Vinted. And firstly, I picked up these wide leg Adidas track pants with this orange crochet detailing down the side, and then it's got the logo at the top here. These are in a size extra small 4 to 6, and they fit really nicely. Everything else I've pretty much got in an extra small as well, just FYI. But yeah, I picked these up for, I think I paid £35 for them, which is a bit pricey for Vinted, but I didn't mind because I'd actually been looking for more Adidas track pants for ages. I'll put some pictures up of me wearing my usual ones, which are the grey pair. And I absolutely love those so much, but because they're all grey, sometimes I feel like they're a little bit boring, or I wanted like some more colour. So I mean, not that this is particularly out there, but I really liked this off-white. I think it will just go with a little bit more, and then the pop of orange just is really fun. And I actually wore it last night with the top from Singapore. I'll put a picture up now. Wore this to go and drink some wine with my friend Anna, and it was very comfortable for drinking wine in, and I thought it looked quite cool paired with the top. So very happy with those. And now this next piece is the last clothing piece, but I think it might be my favourite piece. And I wore these today, so I'll put a picture up of my entire outfit. I paired it with this Vivienne Westwood top, and it's these Acne Studio Bermuda shorts. These are from the men's collection. I think it's 2023. I'll put the runway photo up as well. And basically they're covered, so like they are denim, but it's a very soft denim, and then printed onto the cotton is a denim print. It's hard to explain. So this isn't actually, this is a photograph. It's in the industry, in the fashion industry, this is called trompe-l'oeil. So when you make a garment look like something it's not with a printing. So this is trompe-l'oeil. So on the back you've got the pockets printed, but the pockets are actually here, so they don't even align. And then again the same here, well they kind of align, so like that bit's printed and then the actual pocket is here. And then obviously all these chains and charms, they're not real, they're printed on. And then across the bum it just says Acne Studios, and even this label at the top, not actually there, just printed. So if you was to take the print off, these would be a very plain pair of cotton shorts, because like I say, they are a denim, but they're not at the same time, like they're not a thick denim. No, it's a cotton, 100% cotton, which is what I thought. So it's a very, very soft, denim is made from cotton, but it's a thicker starch. So yeah, just really interesting the way that they've been made. Absolutely love them with the print on top, and obviously it just makes it so fun. But yeah, I absolutely love them. These again, like I say, are from the men's collection, I believe. So yeah, very happy that I managed to get those. Okay, 2 more things to go. I managed to pick up these Chloe sandals. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, months, honestly, actually maybe a year ago, I think it was when I got my, was it when I got my Bottega boots? Yes, it was. When I got my Bottega boots, I was in TK Maxx, found my Bottega boots, and I also found these Chloe sandals in TK Maxx, and they were originally £550 or something from Chloe. They were in TK Maxx for 110, and I ended up not getting them. I thought I would get more wear out of the boots. And then I was on Vinted about a month ago now, because I bought these a little while ago, and I saw these on Vinted, and the person selling them had, I'll try and put a picture up, they had the TK Maxx sticker on, so I know they bought them from TK Maxx. So again, originally £550 from Chloe, 110 from TK Maxx. This person had bought them, but then said that they had never worn them and that they were just going to sell them. And I cheekily offered, I think, 50 quid, and it got accepted. So that is what patience gets you. So I saved another £50 off them. So these are £550 shoes that I paid 50 quid for. So I'm over the moon about that. And again, just got them because obviously they're so comfortable looking. They've got this nice little piece of leather here, this tan leather. They also do these in a navy, just FYI. And then the rest is shearling. But they're so comfortable, so cozy. And I just wanted them to like wear with jeans and a t-shirt again on cozier days. So I was very happy with those. So those were originally seen in TK Maxx, but I got them on Vinted. And then while I was in TK Maxx, more recently, I found these. And these are a pair of, oh my gosh, they're actually quite dirty, of Stella McCartney flip-flops. So I picked these up because I knew that I was going to Singapore, and I thought these would be great for while I'm out in Singapore, and also for the airport. And this is what I wore to and from for the flight, because I thought they'd be like slippers, and I knew it was going to be a long flight and I needed something really comfortable, and these did the job. So these are fantastic shoes. I absolutely love them. If I've got a picture of me wearing them, I'll put them up. I think I have my airport photo, but they're also just great, you know, as somebody who lives right by the sea in Brighton here. Flip-flops are very handy, and I did get these wet as well, and they've been absolutely fine. They've got this really nice woven like thick thread banding, and then they've just very simply got Stella McCartney here. Stella McCartney is also imprinted in the side there, but it's not very obvious, and this colour really drew me in, to be honest. I really wanted to wear these today with my outfit, but it was a bit chilly today and it did end up raining, so glad I didn't wear them. But yeah, very happy with those. So those were my little TK Maxx finds. And let me just find the label. These were originally £205 from Stella McCartney, and I paid 50 quid for them. So I was very happy with that. Actually, I think I ended up paying 40. I got to the till and it was another £10 off or something. So that was very fun. So yeah, so that's my little haul for today. Just a little quick one, but I just wanted to catch you up on some buys, because you'll probably be seeing them on Instagram and in my YouTube vlogs as well, and now you'll know where all of them are from. So I will leave you with that, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It's been lovely doing a little haul for you guys. Do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more videos from me. I try and do every 2 weeks, but it's very difficult when I'm working more than full-time. I do 55 hours a week at work, so it's not even just a full-time job, it's definitely more than full-time. And I do try and do my best with the vlogs and everything. I hopefully will be able to vlog next weekend, so yeah, keep an eye out for that. And also there's another haul coming. You may have seen the item in this video, but I wouldn't have mentioned it, so just keep your eyes peeled. But that video is also coming, and that will be a very special video for me, at least, but I obviously hope you all enjoy it. So yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Go and follow me on Instagram at Rachel Yvonne Hatley, and I love you so much and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.